Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is the job situation in UK after the pandemic. The tourist industry is open up, lot of things, restrictions are removed, so it's almost normal. Apart from under 18 being vaccinated in the UK, that's the main thing going on. International students are now offered with PSW visa, with this post-study work visa. You will get a 2-year work visa without any sponsor. So a lot of people are getting that. What are the chances you get a job in PSW visa? That's the main thing. So it has just started 3-4 months back. So the industry is looking for a lot of people, a lot of jobs are already available. The PSW is to enhance your education, that is enhance your course what you have done in your student visa. That's the main aim of PSW. If you think PSW as a visa just to work for 2 years and then go back to your home country, that is a different thought process. So those people will not be able to go beyond the 2 years, so they will struggle to get into tier 2 visa. The 2-year PSW visa is mainly to help the students to contribute to the UK economy after they finish their studies and help them to improve the UK economy, and then also as students themselves earn some money so that they can pay back or they can gain all the money, or they can earn the money what they spend for the study. That's the main thing a government is doing. So the students come back from different countries with different innovative thinking, so the government wants them to contribute back to the UK economy. But so for that reason they're giving this 2-year post-study visa. So the jobs as of now is mostly coming in the retail shops, lot of shops, pubs, tourist attractions. Only these places is coming. As you know that HGV drivers, you cannot get into that. It's a very costly process of getting HGV visa, that is heavy goods vehicle visa. And then there is a job shortage in the pork and then in the butcher industry, that is the meat processing industry. That's also very skilled work. You cannot go there without any experience. So these are the areas where you have very skilled workers needed. Apart from that, many people need to use this PSW visa period to get a launch pad for the tier 2. That's the main thing. They have to aim for tier 2 sponsorship within the 2-year period given to them. They can stay here without any sponsor and also work. So some students are thinking, or I have seen many videos, I have seen many students, they just use this 2-year period to work somewhere and then earn money, and then let's see what happens after 2 years. Don't do that. You have to have a plan in place. What is your end goal? You want to have a British passport, ILR. That means you have to get a tier 2 visa. After that you have to prove yourself 5 years in the job, or the employee who is giving a tier 2 sponsor, and then only you can achieve this ILR or British passport. There are other ways you can get British passport by marrying a local girl or a boy, or you can switch to different type of visas. But PSW visa period you have to use such a way that it helps you to gain a sponsor after 2 years, and then manage the sponsor for 5 years, and then get a ILR and British passport. That's the main. Most of the people are thinking, and few people are thinking, okay, it's I'm not going to get the sponsorship, and then so let's use the 2-year time to just earn as much as possible and go back to home country. And one more thing, the reality is, out of the international students coming in thousands, around 500,000 people coming as international students from various countries, only 10% max getting the tier 2 sponsor visa. That's the reality. Only 10. That is 10 is very very at the top level. I would say 5 to 8% is the now amount of students who are getting into tier 2 sponsor visa. This is the data for the past 5 to 6 years. So with the pandemic added, they need a lot of experienced people, and then a lot of work from home. So if you are in office, you get to know seniors who can help you. But in this pandemic, few companies are open the office fully, but others are still doing the hybrid model. So use this 2-year PSW visa to get a sponsor. Try to find out the jobs around while you're doing your work in some places, and then in the same working place you can also ask for sponsorship if they are a license holder. That's the main thing. The job situation is, as of now, lot of jobs are coming, but it's all on the high end technical area, like logistics, IT, management, and then construction management, engineering management, UI UX design, cyber security, and lawyers. That's also there. Accountants, these are there. This area definitely needs a experienced person. So use the 2 years to get experience, and then get into a sponsor after 2 years. So that's the main core information of this in this video. The core information of this video is the jobs are already available. All the temporary jobs, whatever is available as a launch pad to get a tier 2 sponsor or find a tier 2 sponsor. Don't waste your time, and then don't get into the mindset of money making. But if your goal is British passport ILR, definitely you need a tier 2 sponsor. Try to get that one. That's the main thing. Hope this video gave you information about PSW job situation and how to get into the tier 2 sponsor jobs. Hope this finds useful. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.